What's your point, Ethel?
My point is that she's late.
She's not late. We have 5 more minutes. She's not late. She's gonna be here. She's not late. She's never late. That's the one thing about Ruth is she's never late.
You always stick up for her.
I do not.
We should have gone with Estelle.
No, Estelle's like half dead.
Who do you like better?
Oh, don't
Ruthie
start. Don't start.
Or me?
Ethel,
Who do you like better?
Don't start. No.
She's your partner for checkers. She's your partner for darts.
That's
she's
right.
Your partner for everything.
Yes.
Is alive
No,
and she's nice.
barely
She has a
alive.
personality. She has a personality.
We don't need a personality. We need somebody good for the job, and that's who it is. Here, look who's here beside you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Does everybody know the plan?
Oh my God.
Ruth, stay there. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay. You're my best friend.
All right.
You're my only friend.
Yeah, I know that. Bingo! Crap. Ethel.
Yes.
Ethel, do you remember what you said in the car?
What?
Something about the plan. Hey! I want your wallet, your cell phones, and your jewelry in this bag now! All right, what do you got? Come on, put it in here. Hurry, quick. What is that, a baby purse? Come on, wallet. All right, who's got something? Right here. Come on. The money! All right, let's go. That's it. All right. Throw it in. All right, what else we got?